Hello students, good afternoon all. Happy Janmashtami to all of you. Now I am going to tell you some information about Janmashtami. It means Gokulashtami. Okay, this year today is Gokulashtami. Janmashtami, the birth of Lord Krishna, is celebrated with great devotion and enthusiasm in India in the month of July or August. According to the Hindu's calendar, this religious festival is celebrated on the Ashtami of Krishna Paksh or the 8th day of the dark fortnight in the month of Bhadran. Sri Krishna is considered as the one of the most powerful human incarnation of the Lord Vishnu. He was born around 5200 years ago in Mathura. The sole objective of Sri Krishna's birth was to free the earth from the evilness of demons. He played an important role in Mahabharata and propagated the theory of bhakti and good karma, which are narrated deeply in the Bhagavad Gita. Sri Krishna was born in a prison in the custody of Kans. Vasudev, his father, immediately thought of his friend Nand and decided to hand over his child to him to save Krishna from the clutch of Kans. Krishna grew up in Gokul and finally killed his uncle King Kans. The actual celebration of Janmashtami takes place during the midnight as Sri Krishna is believed to be born on a dark, stormy and windy night to end the rule and violence of his uncle Kans. All over India, this day is celebrated with devotional songs and dance, pujas, aarti, blowing of the conch and rocking the candle of baby Sri Krishna. The Janmashtami celebration of Mathura and Vrindavan, the places where Sri Krishna had spent his life, are very special. On this day, temples and homes are wonderfully decorated and illuminated. Night long prayers are offered and religious mantras are sung in the temple. Gokulashtami is an important festival, particularly to the Vaishnavism tradition of Hinduism. Dance drama enactments of the life of Krishna according to the Bhagavad Purana, such as Ras Leela or Krishna Leela, devotional singing thoughts, the midnight when Krishna was born, fasting, a night vigil, and a festival on the following day are a part of the Janmashtami celebrations. It is celebrated particularly in Mathura and Vrindavan along with major Vaishnav and non-sectarian communities found in Manipur, Assam, Bihar, West Bengal, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, and all over the states of India. Krishna Janmashtami is a Hindu festival which is celebrated annually as birth anniversary of Lord Krishna. Lord Krishna is considered as the eighth incarnation or avatar of Lord Vishnu. He was born to play different roles of a teacher, mentor, lover, deity, friend, etc. Lord Krishna holds a flute in his hand and he wears a peacock feather on his head. Lord Krishna killed Kans, the evil king of Mathura and made devotees free from his activities. Lord Krishna gave the supreme knowledge in the form of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. On Krishna Janmashtami, the temples of Krishna are filled with devotees for worship and prayer. Many people observe complete fast while some only rely on fruits on Krishna Janmashtami. Krishna Janmashtami is celebrated all over India with great zeal and zest, especially in Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Bihar, etc. In Maharashtra, people gathered on a place for the Handi function in which participants make a human pyramid and break the earthen pot hanged high between two poles. Now students, I hope you understood that why we celebrate Gokulashtami. So students, enjoy this day. Enjoy this beautiful day and celebrate Gokulashtami at your home. Bye-bye. Take care. Now students, I hope you understood that why we celebrate Gokulashtami. So students, enjoy this day. Enjoy this beautiful day and celebrate Gokulashtami.